Welcome back, it's Igor. In this video, we're gonna talk about my new toy. It's a 10-watt laser cutter by Longer. Laser cutter. Just those two words makes me excited about this video. So if you want to find out what it's capable of, stick around. I took out everything out of the box, I put it on my workbench. I now need to assemble it. This should be quick and easy. They even give you these cool looking sunglasses.
Back to the future.
They're actually not sunglasses, they are for security purposes because this is a grade 4 laser, but more on that later. Let's first put it together. And I'm done. It took me literally 30 minutes. Honestly, there is nothing too complicated about it. You get all the instructions in the box. They also have a YouTube channel with many videos explaining everything. So if you need more visual instructions on how to build this, they also have a video for that. You can do it. It's nothing too complicated. In the box, as I said before, you also get protective glasses. That's a laser. It can be dangerous, so wear your glasses.
What?
You also get a card reader and a micro SD card. That's one way to transfer your project from your computer to the machine so it knows what to do. If you want, you can also use this cable that's also provided. And finally, you get a honeycomb pad with a protective sheet underneath that's meant to protect the surface you're working on. And the only thing left to do now is to try it out.
A few moments later.
It has been a few seconds for you. For me, it has been a few hours, I must be honest. It took me so much time because I had to download a program called Lightburn. It's a free program, at least for 30 days, and then you have to pay for it. Now I learned the basics of the program. I know how it works. I know how to import and what type of file I can import. This is not going to be a project video, by no means. It's just going to be a quick review of the capabilities of this machine. Later on, I will do a full project video. I have a lot of ideas how to use this machine. But there is one thing I would like to use this machine for, is the engraving capabilities, and I would like to be able to engrave my logo that I designed a few days ago. For example, why not just carve a logo onto this workbench that I built, or if I do a wooden sculpture, coming soon, or any projects I will do in the future, so it becomes like a sign piece. So for now, I'm gonna be using this 6mm sheet of plywood to engrave and cut out my logo. Let's go. While the machine is doing its thing, just a quick tip. You heard it. I'm using this little contraption. That's a clamp and air mattress blower. The clamp is just for holding it in place because it's moving around. I didn't think about it before, but yes, it's logical. It's a laser, it's wood, and it's cutting and burning through the wood to cut. So it's making, I don't know if you can see on camera, a lot of fumes. That's why I'm using these little contraptions to blow the air away in that direction where I have an open door. And this little contraption also helps the laser cut or engrave better because the laser is directly in contact with the wood and doesn't have to go through the fumes. I need to turn it on again. And it's finally done. I just hope I did everything right. Coming off so easy. Look at this. I will put it on my wall somewhere. Let me just quickly sand it. Just taking away some of the burning marks. And it's even better. I'm really happy, and the capabilities and the possibilities, the limitations is just your mind, it's just your creativity, imagination. You can do so many things. I have so many ideas flowing into my head every day. Just when I think about the laser, I'm like, I could do this, I could do that. Big thumbs up for this machine. And before I end this video, there is one last thing I want to do with this laser. I would like to cut out a small Christmas tree in the same 6mm sheet of plywood, and I want to bring it home to my kids. They can eventually decorate it. I think that's another application of this laser machine. You can create your own decorations. So let's jump on my computer and start cutting this tree. And we are done after 1 hour. Let's see if we can take out. Okay. Okay. And here it is. My Christmas tree that I will bring home to my kids. It was a quick, fun project just because I wanted to try it out because I was so excited about this machine. This was a quick review. I will do a full project video later on, so if you want to see what I'm gonna do next with this, please subscribe to the channel. If you're interested by this particular model, I will put a link down in the description below. If you purchase through this link, I get a kickback and it helps the channel grow, so thank you for that. This is capable of so much more. I can't wait to try this out. So once again, if you want to see what I'm gonna do next, please subscribe and we see us in the next video. Bye.